Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for my Stitch Fix unboxing for October. I have a feeling this is going to be like the best box I've ever gotten because I'm pretty intuitive and I cheated. So I did cheat only because I requested something that I really wanted that I saw on someone else's Stitch Fix unboxing, and I had to know as soon as it shipped if she was able to get it for me because I am obsessed with it. I will say that it is storming really bad right now outside, so it's dark and it's only 4 o'clock. And I have to have my light on because otherwise it's a mess. So I will go ahead and start unboxing this for you guys, and I will show you what I asked for specifically. But for this month, what I requested in my box in the comments to my stylist was a good pair of over-the-belly maternity leggings and just 3 sweaters, like for fall, something bigger and looser to fit my pregnancy belly. And I also asked for a special jacket that I saw and I thought, I need this in this color in my life. And luckily I know what's in this box. I've been waiting all day to get home to open it. Excuse me, I'm just getting a little too excited. So as always, I have my link down below for you guys to sign up. If you have not signed up yet, feel free to do so. And I'm going to go ahead and read my style card to see what she said. This stylist that I have, Britt Hanlon, she's amazing. This is the sweater that I was exchanging last time and could not get. And look, it's a double preview. Here is the jacket that I asked for. So this is my preview right here. So my biggest tip for getting the perfect box is to find a stylist, try different ones, and when you find one that you like, stick with her, build a relationship with her, like I've done with Britt Hanlon. And then I also recommend pinning things that you love on your Pinterest page, so that way they know exactly what you're looking for. And if you pin directly from the Stitch Fix Pinterest page, they could probably get you the exact items that you're pinning. So just a tip for any of you who are trying it and not liking it, you have to go through several stylists probably to find who knows you best and who has a style similar to yours. And once you build a relationship, I'm telling you, every box is gonna be fantastic, and that's kind of where I'm at right now. I'm loving everything. So I'm so out of breath, but I'm gonna go ahead and start opening. So this is the first sweater. This is by Pink Clover, and it's called the Bay Cross Front Detail Pullover. I really like this detail up here in the top. It has that crisscross, which just gives this a little something extra. This color, it's definitely darker in real life. My camera is just oversaturating, I think, the brightness. There we go. So this is actually the color of the sweater, which is perfect for fall. It's really good with the lip color that I'm wearing. And it has cuffed sleeves, which you guys know I am about the cuffed sleeve life. And on the bottom, it looks like the back does drop just a teeny bit. And this next one is one that I wanted last time. I've already tried this on in a medium. A medium just was not big enough for me because I need a little bit extra room. I love the pattern detail kind of right here on the front, how the fabric is. Again, has a little bitty tiny cuff, but I love the back patches on the pockets. It just is so super soft. I have nothing like this. Patch wise, I do have a sweater similar to this in a very nude color, and I wear it all the time, so I know I will wear this. This next one, oh interesting, I didn't see this on the when I cheated and looked at to see what was coming, but this is a striped sweater. And this is the Francie back detail pullover. And again, I will have all of the names of these sweaters in the description box in case you request anything. Cuffed sleeve, cuffed bottom, and the back looks like it has some opening. So yeah, it looks like even down here it opens up. Very interesting. We'll see how this looks on me. I'm not 100% sure that I like the back being open, but it's new, it's different, and I'm willing to try it. And these are the maternity leggings, the Rune Kiley maternity, ankle zip legging in black. So they are just kind of an over the belly maternity legging, and probably will be really good for postpartum. But for a kick on the bottom, there is this zipper detail right here, gold detail. Obviously I'm probably going to wear boots with these, so this doesn't really help or hurt me, but when I'm postpartum, it'll be nice just to feel kind of a little bit fancy with my little zipper leggings. So I don't have any maternity leggings at the moment. I'm still wearing my normal black leggings, so I'm excited to try a pair of the over the belly leggings. And what I was all riled up about, I'm so excited for this. I love this jacket, you guys. When I saw it in someone else's unboxing, I thought I need to get my hands on one. So this is the Market and Spruce Chaplin hooded Anorak cargo jacket in pink, size medium. I love this, you guys. The color, I have nothing like this. Nothing this color. I love it. It's just kind of a cargo, like just a cargo jacket. And I'm actually pretty positive they sent me one similar to this when I first started Stitch Fix. It was, I believe, right before the fall time, and I believe it was an olive green, and I did not keep it because I have a camo jacket that was similar, but this is golden. I love it. It does have a hood, but I feel like the hood's removable. It is. So the hood is actually removable. So if you're not someone who wants hoods, and I'm actually not, I can just take the hood off, and I'm just so excited. It can even cinch at the waist here in the back to make it more form-fitting or whatever. I cannot wait to try this on because this is going to be probably my favorite fall piece this year. Okay, now that I am super out of breath, let's go ahead and try these on, and then we'll talk about the prices. Okay, I love this color, you guys. I just cannot. I love it so much. So I'm not going to size up in this, even though clearly being pregnant I could to get it to close. I want to be able to wear this for next fall and the fall after, and without a pregnancy belly it would close just fine on me, and it probably would right now, to be honest, but this is actually perfect for me, my normal body size. And when I wear it, I probably will wear it just like this with a pair of jeans and a plain color top, I'm assuming. And I love this jacket. I love how you can make it more form-fitting, or you can loosen it with the little laces right here. They have them tied, but you can loosen it if you need to. And overall, I'm definitely going to keep this. I liked the green one that they sent me, so I was pretty sure I would like this, but I love it more just because it's pink. Okay, here's the next sweater. I kept my t-shirt underneath on just because the back was open and I didn't want to show off any of my goodies back there. Not that anything special is back there, but this actually fits pretty nicely over my bump right now. Do you want out? So it actually fits really, really good. I'm just kind of feeling okay about it. I do love how it fits me, but I just kind of feel a little frumpy in this, if that makes sense. I don't know. I'm not sold on this. I feel like it would be nice just to have for the season that we're in, but obviously, you know, any sweater I could wear in this season. But I think maybe if the back wasn't open, I wouldn't keep it, but I kind of like the back being open. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? I'm going to post this video while I still have this box because I just got it today. And let me know what you think about this sweater on me. I'm just not loving it, so maybe depending on price, we'll have to see. But let me guys know in the comments what you think about this one on me. Okay, here's that green sweater that I actually already tried on, sent back for a bigger size, and again, my shirt's on underneath it, so that's kind of causing some flashback with the light. But I love this color for fall. I love this deep olive color. I have strings kind of all over me. But again, I also love this back detail of the, are they called patches? Yeah, the patches. I really, really like this color for fall. I think it would look really good with a pair of, I have boots that are like a few shades darker than this brown, and a pair of leggings. It would just be so comfortable. And in leggings, this back would cover my bottom, so I would feel very comfortable, and there's plenty of room to kind of stretch out and grow. Okay. This one I think is going to be a no for me. I sound like Simon Cowell on America's Got Talent or American Idol. This is cute up here. I really love this. I'm not sure if it's the color of the sweater or just the way it's laying on me. I'm just not sure that I really like this one enough to wear it. It is long enough that it would cover my butt enough for leggings, I think. But I probably couldn't size up anymore because already the sleeves are a little bit long on me, which is fine for a sweater. But again, I'm just not feeling this one as much as I am some of the other pieces. Okay, so here are the maternity leggings. I literally cannot show you my back because the light makes them see-through. So I am apologizing for that. These are actually very comfortable. However, I need to figure out if, here, let me do this number right here, and then I can show you the back of them. Obviously the detail, I think it's just the flashback from the light that's making me feel like you can see my entire bottom. I'm a little concerned. I'll have my husband look tonight when he gets home, but otherwise I love these. It feels so comfortable, and I don't know why I'm surprised. But yes, I really, really like these. So if there's not an issue with the situation in the back, I will definitely be keeping them. I am just going to keep my cardigan off because now I am super hot feeling. And that is just too much movement for me in one day because I am feeling like I just worked out an entire marathon. So this whole video is going to be very breathy and I'm so, so sorry. So I can tell you right now, the price of the jacket is a pricier jacket, but I know I'm going to get use out of it and I'm going to wear it the crap out of it. And so I am going to keep the jacket. It is $88 and I love it a lot. I know that's pricier, but the quality, I'm not going to beat it. And honestly, I just love the jacket. Okay, this striped sweater with the open back detail. This is the Francey sweater. It is $44. I'm not surprised at that. I feel like most of their sweaters run about $44. And every one that I've ever bought has had amazing quality. I've gotten a lot of wear out of it. Obviously, I bought some last year and I'm already wearing them again this year. I'm not in love with this, but let me guys know what you think because it's okay and I might like it more if I styled it with leggings or something, but I'm just not sure about that one. This dark green one with the patches on the back is also $44. I definitely will be keeping this. I just love the way, honestly, my favorite colors for fall are actually these two colors right here. That's why I'm so drawn to these pieces. Sorry, my daughter is playing over here. Again, that one's $44. I will be keeping that one. This burgundy wine, plummy wine type sweater is also $44. So that makes it easy. All three of the sweaters were $44. Don't love this one either. I don't know if it's the color, if I would like it better in like an olive or that pink color, but I'm just not, I don't know. I'm just not crazy about either of those, so I probably will not wear them, but they are very comfortable feeling, and I do like the style of them. I just don't know if I like the style on me. And these maternity leggings are $58, which is a little pricey for maternity leggings, but I love the way that these feel. These are more like a kind of a luxury maternity legging in my opinion, because I know you can buy them in the like $25 to $40 range. The zipper detail doesn't really matter to me. I'm probably going to shove them in boots anyways. So, I don't know. I probably will keep these though if my husband checks and they're not see-through in the back. But I am not crazy about thinking they might be a little bit see-through. So, I'll let you guys know down below if they end up being see-through. Because I feel like the light may be shining in. But I would like to know how they do in sunlight because I just don't want any mishaps and no one wants to see any of that. So as of right now, if I was to pick right this second, I would definitely be keeping these two 100%, and I am. I'll still decide later maybe on this striped sweater. I'm still on the fence for this one. I really do like it, I think. And I think that pair with leggings and boots, I think it would be okay. I think it'd be comfortable for me. I just want to be comfortable this fall because I am getting bigger and more uncomfortable. I'm still deciding on this one. Let me guys know what you think. I do kind of like the back. I really like it. If I kept this one along with those two, it would be about $156, but I could keep everything in the box for $188. So here I am trying to figure my life out. If for some reason these leggings are not see-through in the bottom, I probably will keep all 5 because it would just be cheaper on me to keep all 5. And sometimes that's just how it is and you just get extra pieces. But I think I'm feeling like these are see-through. I'm not gonna lie, I do feel like these are see-through, but I love them so much. So I think for sure the olive and the pink jacket, for the 5th time I'm saying that. Let me guys know what you think about the rest of the items, and that's going to be all for this video. So if you enjoyed watching this Stitch Fix haul, give it a thumbs up. Again, code down below or link for you to try out Stitch Fix. And don't forget what I told you guys about how to get a really good box. Don't be afraid to ask for different stylists every time. If you like a box, remember her name, remember what fix number it is, and just don't be shy. You will get your perfect stylist and you will get a good box every time. So I will see you guys in my next one.